guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my summer makeup routine. So stick around for the full tutorial to see what look I create and the tips and tricks I teach you along the way. But if you wanted to see what look I'm going to create, here it is now. And like I said, if you like the look of that, please stick around and watch the full video. Again, please like and subscribe. And yeah, I don't want to keep this a long intro, so let's jump into the video. So first, I'm going to go in with the Embryolisse cream. This is to moisturize and kind of prime the skin. So I've used this for a while now, loving it. Great product, keeps the skin moisturized. Exactly what we need for a full face of makeup. So I'm just going to apply this first. Now I'm going to apply some SPF as it's crucial to look after your skin, especially in the summer when the UV rays are high. So for this, I'm going in with the Bondi Sands SPF. This one's 50, one of the highest you can get. So for this, a hack to know how much sun cream you should need, you should use 2 finger lengths all on your face. I'm gonna place it on my skin like that, and then I'm gonna rub it in. And now that we've got the basic skin prep done, let's get on into the makeup. So first I'm going to use primer, and I want my makeup to last all day, so I want to use something really gripping. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. So this is a Milk Hydro Grip Primer dupe, and I've used this for a while and it's really great. It does really create that tackiness, as you can see. Super easy, just rubbing it all into the skin. Now that is all blended in, now that's all rubbed in, let's get on with the base routine. So I am gonna go in and do something a bit different today. As it's summer, I get hot and sweaty. I don't want cakey makeup on my face. I don't want loads of layers. So I'm gonna show you how I can get all my contouring, blush, highlighter done just in one layer. So first we start with the highlighting portion, so that's going to be concealer. Today I'm going to be using the Rare Beauty Concealer in the shade 140C. Not to complicate things, just put your concealer where you usually would and don't blend it out. What we're going to do, we are going to apply all our products at the same time in one layer. So we're not applying products on top of products, because normally what I would do is apply my foundation and then I apply concealer on top. But for the summer, during the daytime, I just want something light and not heavy on my skin. And that's my concealer done. Next, I am going to bronze or contour, and for this, I'm going to be using the Fenty Matchstick in the shade Mocha. So again, just apply where you usually would, but this is where I normally apply on my contouring. I do arc it in a bit at the cheeks just to create that more slimmer face look, and around the jawline, but I leave out the nose, as nose contouring can become a little bit messy. So again, leave it, no blending. Might look a bit weird, might even look a bit like clickbait, but it's not. It's a really good hack. Just wait and see. So next I'm gonna go in with blush, and of course I'm using the Revolution Pro blush in the shade Peaches. One of my favorites at the moment and the perfect color for summer, as I don't like rosy blushes. Something like peach just gives me a more sophisticated vibe. So I'm just gonna apply exactly where I usually would. How crazy am I looking? Right, so those are all our staples, like our contouring, concealer, our blush is all done. So now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna fill in the gaps with some foundation. For this, I am going in with a Rare Beauty foundation in the shade 140C. What we do, we just apply to where that is gaps. You don't need to colour the full gap in, just apply the product where those gaps are. Because if you do fill the full gap in, it might become a little bit too heavy. Now we're looking all crazy. This is where the magic comes in. You may be thinking, oh my God, Lydia, that's all gonna dry down. How are you even gonna blend it? Well, that's what I'm going to show you now. So you're right, when you do leave makeup on like this, it can dry down and become a nightmare to blend. But this is where the setting spray comes in. So what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna spray my face and make all those products more blendable again. And at the same time, this is gonna set and just like tie in, combined all the products together, making that seamless, flawless base. So for setting spray today, I'm going to be using the NYX Super Dewy Setting Spray. Really affordable and great. So spray the face like so, and then we start blending. But here's a key thing here, blend from light to dark. So we're gonna go concealer, foundation, blush, then contouring. You can use whatever you want. I'm going to be using a little brush to start off with so I don't mess up the placement on the product. I've got a larger brush if needed, and then I've also got a beauty blender which will like take off any of that excess product. Starting with this smaller brush, I'm going to start with the concealer under the eye and just bouncing that product into the skin. Take your time on this bit because you've got all the products down and you don't want to ruin all that work that we just did. As I got a bigger base on my forehead, I'm just gonna bounce that one with the beauty blender. Now I'm going to blend the other eye, bouncing the beauty blender over the areas I've already blended with the small brush. Now I'm just gonna go into where I place the foundation as well. So during your blending, if you're finding that the products are being hard to blend, you can just spray your face with some more setting spray. But as I'm moving quite quickly today, I'm not needed any more of that spray. So as you can see, I've almost blended out all the foundation and concealer. And to be honest, I've done majority of it with this beauty blender, but for the eyes, I did use a smaller brush as it was easier. So now that is majority blended, I'm now gonna work onto the blush, just like so, bouncing it into the skin without moving the placement so much of the blush. And then lastly, contour. See, look how quick and easy this is, guys. And it's super lightweight, but it still gives that excellent base that we're looking for. And ta-da, it is all blended. What do you think, everyone? I think it's great. I look really glowy thanks to all the skin prep we did, and the products are sitting really nicely on my skin and super lightweight. I feel like I'm not wearing anything. I don't like to set the makeup so much because then it becomes dry, and I don't want that. I don't want that vibe. It's summer. I want glowy. I want nourished skin, not dry, cracked skin. No, but I am going to set it a little bit because we really don't want that concealer to crease under my eyes. So I'm going to do that quickly as I'm making a lot of expressions, my eyes moving, I'm getting lines. Yeah, let's set the face. So of course I'm going in with the e.l.f. HD finishing powder. This is the sheer transparent one. So I'm going to pick up product. That is a lot, but what I do, tap it into the lid. So I only have a little bit on the brush, like so, and then I go into the areas where I place the concealer or where it's going to crease. Just very lightly under the eye. It does get rid of that shine, that glowiness, but we can add that back by using some more dewy spray or adding some highlighter, which we will shortly. So as you can see, I'm just applying it where I apply the concealer and where I don't want to crease. Now it's time for brows, and I'm just going to do my brows like I always would. So I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade and some brow gel. So I'm just going to do my brows now, and then I'll be back in a moment. So I'm back and the brows are all filled. My opinion, they are looking fleeky. But yeah, to be honest, most of this routine is already done. That was, as you can see, such a quick, light routine. It's pretty awesome and great. So let's move on to the eyes, and we're keeping it simple, keeping it basic, as we're just going for that everyday summer day. Yeah, nothing too crazy. Just something you can wear every day to work, to shopping, something chill and cash. So I've been recently using a new product and I absolutely love it. And this is the About Face. So this is like Halsey's makeup line. This is the Fluid Eye Paint, and this is like, it's a matte shade, and it's called Smile Before the Rain. It's really natural, some like neutral brown shade. I can swatch it on my hand and show you. It looks like that. It's super blendable, and yeah, I just love the product. But let me show you how I use it. I also am obsessed with Halsey. Like, I love her music. I saw her at the O2, and I have tickets to Reading, and basically it's because she's there. She's there on the Sunday, and I can't wait. But yeah, so I got the product, and you can literally, so easy, put it on the eye directly from the applicator, and it takes some time to dry down, so you have time to blend it out. Then what I do, I take a fluffy brush. Yes, this is dirty, because this is the brush I have been using for this product this week. And look, super easy, a blend out, and it just looks like a shadow. It doesn't look like wet, glossy, or paint. It just dries down matte and fierce, like, it's beautiful. There's like so many in different colours, but I thought I'll try out a neutral shade first, see if I like it, and then we'll go with something bold. But yeah, let me know if you want a full review on About Face. And there we go, simple, like done. That eyeshadow is like complete-ish. I want to add some sparkle, some glitter, not like a shimmer, just to brighten the eyes up, as I said over and over again, summer look needs a little bit of whatever that means. So for the shimmer, I am going to take the Revolution Reloaded palette. This one is the Velvet Rose one. And I'm actually just going to take this like goldy shade down here on a flat brush. Just a little bit. I don't want it to be overpowering. And then I'm just going to apply that to the lid directly on top of that shadow that we've already put down. And then, yep, it's super messy. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to blend it out with this brush. So just like a subtle shimmer. Really like just making your eyes pop. As you can see, there's like a cute difference. And as simple as that, there's both eyes done. Like, love this. Ooh. Knocking things over. I love this look. Super quick, super easy, and perfect for the summer. It's 28 degrees right now, and my face isn't feeling cakey or like, oh, I really want to wash this makeup off. It's just, which is what I want for the summer. Okay, so let's move on to eyelashes. So basically, really simple. Let's give them a curl. This is the Doll Beauty curler. And then I'm going to apply some mascara. For mascara, I do recommend something waterproof, as in the summer, you're gonna sweat. It's gonna happen. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Big Moon Mascara, which is waterproof. So I'm just gonna do my mascara off camera, and then I'll be back in a second. And there you have it, mascara done, super easy. Now let's have some fun with lashes. So lashes, just put whatever you want on, it doesn't matter, like go with your style, or don't even wear lashes, you don't need to. But I just want to show us some new ones that I've got. So I've been recently shopping with Doll Beauty. Wow, I say recently, I've always liked Doll Beauty, but I've recently got some new eyelashes. So this is the style Chloe Elizabeth. Then we have Candy, we have Ava, and lastly we have Selena. So I am going to put some really big extravagant lashes on today. Just cannot decide what I want to use. Candy is a bit too crazy, not crazy, just too wispy and like out there and daring. So I'm not feeling that today. I think Selena and Eva are quite similar. And then you got like, well, I don't know what you call it, the ones that are like grouped together. Like not clumps, but like those are close. And then we got Selena. I think I'm gonna go with Selena today. And there you are. Oh yeah, I have already cut them. Here's the two little pieces at the top where I've cut off, but I always keep them in case I want to use them. But yeah, these are trimmed to my size. So I'm just gonna apply these and then I'll be right back. Ta-da! Those are the lashes and they look cute. Honestly, you just need a simple look, simple base routine, and add some lashes and it's like, just brings the look all together. Okay, 2 more steps today, and that is highlighter and lips. First, I'm going to apply some highlighter. And to keep the dewy, like glowy kind of look going on, I'm going to be using the Rare Beauty highlighter. This is in the shade Mesmerize. So for this, I'm going to apply the highlighter directly to the back of my hand, and then I'm going to apply it with a beauty blender. So I'm not going to apply it directly to the face with the applicator, because then you kind of have those dots stick on your face of where you initially put the product. So I got it on my beauty blender. Just going to apply like so, creating the dreamy, highlighty, glowing look. I feel so pretty in this look as well, which is really nice. Lips. Okay, next is lips. I'm normally a matte girl. I wear matte all the time because it doesn't transfer and it's just, yeah, it's easy. But it can be quite dry and I'm creating that glowy vibe. So I am going to go in with a lip gloss today. So it is between two. It's between the Lifter Gloss by Maybelline, which is in the shade Silk, which is like a Fenty Gloss Bomb equivalent dupe. Yeah, amazing. I love it. Lasts quite a long time and got a great pigment. Or I've got the Doll Beauty lip gloss, and this is in the shade Insta Famous. Let's try the Doll Beauty one. So the only problem with this one I've got is like it's super messy. I think it's just because there's a lot of product in there. But yeah, let's try it out. It's so pigmented, it's crazy. When I first got these glosses, I was like, what? So much colour. Like, you can't see my natural lip colour, but underneath it, which is cool. Final step, we're just going to add a bit more of that setting spray so it lasts all day. And there we have it, guys. This is my go-to summer makeup look. What do you think? I really do recommend this look as the base is super light, it's not cakey, it lets your skin breathe during this heat, which is really nice. It's not drying and you've just got that glowy look. You can also make this look your own. Like I said, eyeshadow, something simple, lashes, wow, any lash which is suited to you will just make it look great. The main takeaway from this video I want you to learn is that new base routine. Let me know in the comments if you try it out. I really do hope you enjoyed this video or found some tips or tricks to add to your makeup routine. If you did enjoy it, please hit the thumbs up. And while you're down there, please hit that red subscribe button as it would mean so much to me. And while you're there, hit the bell icon as you will be notified every time I upload a video. And that is every Tuesday at 6, if you're wondering. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of the video. I hope you have a great day and a great summer. And I'll see you next Tuesday at 6. Bye, guys.